Today, I am actually facing an insecurity of mine. One of the most common contours that I see are drawing a line downwards like this, and I already have this naturally and I always want to cover it up. Well, not today. Picking up a cool tone color, I'm gonna begin. Oh, this feels so wrong. Okay, that's even, I think. And then we do the little line here. And then I guess I will just do like a little smoochy thing like this. If this actually is what's gonna make me look snatched, then I'm gonna be really mad that I've been doing it wrong all this time, that I should have just played with my insecurity, but we'll see. And then we blend. I'm gonna be honest, this feels really wrong. Like, how could this ever look good? I mean, it looks great on them, but like, on me? Bad doubt. Do a little blendy blend like this. And here we are with the final result, and I can't even speak! I'm speechless! Not necessarily in a good way. Do I hate it? Do I love it? The fuck do I know? So, what do you guys think? Because I don't know. You tell me. Bye bye.